Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to cook broccoli thoran Kerala style. First ingredient, you need oil 1.5 tablespoon, mustard 1 teaspoon, whole cumins 1 teaspoon, onion chopped 1, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, green chilli 3 chopped, broccoli 1 medium cut, crushed coconut half, salt according to your taste. And now we are going to cook it. To cook it, first heat oil in a pan. When oil is hot enough, add mustard. Your mustard will start to crack. After that, add whole cumin. Your cumins will start to crack and color will become brown. After that, add onion. Stir it once or twice, although not necessary. Then add turmeric powder. And add green chilli. After that, stir it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add salt. Stir it once or twice if you want to, not necessary. Then add broccoli. Again, stir it for about 5 minutes. and make sure you only cooked it half. The broccoli color will become light green, so don't cook fully, only cook it half. After that, add crushed coconut, stir it for about 2 to 4 minutes. In short, just heat your coconut nicely. Now your crunchy broccoli thoran is ready.